One of the benefits of our participation in Safety and Justice Challenge has been adding a few more resources for pushing to get people out of jail. And so I really, both from its very core of our office and how when we have over 7,000 people in our local jail, to getting the numbers to where they are today with the MacArthur Safety and Justice Challenge, it's not appreciated, I think, and obviously the Safety and Justice Challenge appreciates it, but it's folks should, I think, fully comprehend how much having a public defender there early, right when you get there, as early as possible, to advocate for you, to help push you to get out, to call your family, to connect you with services. There's so much that we do in our everyday level of work that is getting us to be having a more just and safe community and bringing those jail size numbers down. So, I think in some ways it's preaching to choir to everyone at this meeting at NLADA how important the public defender is in the process. But I think it should be sort of known sort of far and wide how a small investment in the public defender office brings big returns for the community, big returns for the clients, a healthier, safer community, and frankly saves government and cities lots of money, right? In just getting the jails, if you do the math, it costs about $100 a day to keep someone locked up at our local jail. And probably that's not even enough because it's still not safe enough, and but even at that bare bones $100 a day, if you do the math and reduce the jail size 100 people, that's over $3.5 million a year. That's a lot of money, right? And when you do the math, when you get to where we were when we even started the Safety and Justice Challenge to where we were last week at 12-15, you're in the $15-20 million mark that should be reinvested in our community to make people healthier, safer, more prosperous. Getting down to 12-15 and that jail size is where it is great strides, and it wouldn't have happened without having all the stakeholders get together, having the Safety and Justice Challenge. But frankly, 12-15 is still way too high, right? And so, if we were to have people in jail that were not a risk to the community or themselves, and then that number would be much, much lower.